What's up, guy? Here's we got a service call right now. Customer just called saying that it's not blowing air in the house. We're just going there right now, check what is going on. So I see you soon. All right, guys. So we already changed. Look at that. The blower wheel and the motor, and it's centralized blowing cool air. Oh, the little we're missing is the capacitor, 12.5. So the old one look like that. So all right. So we're missing just the capacitor over here, the set, and then we're just going to put it back. All right, guys. So we're going to put the blowers. It's kind of like a tricky, on the back don't say how the screw to hang it, so we had to put like little rest, that way we can put on the screw each side. So let's go. Alright, it's there. You have the screw. Alright, we almost got it. There we go. We did it. So we're missing one more screw over here, connect the wires, everything like that, and then we just see how it's running. So has been frozen for like 2 hours, I think so. So we're just gonna wait a little more, that way we can have the blower wheel running good. Yes, sir. There we go. So everything is there. Which way is running good. We have to clean over here the wires, and we're good.